Hi, I'm John, and I'm a member of the Science and Innovation Group at Quotient Sciences. In this video, we're going to talk about Quotient's Translational Pharmaceutics platform and how it's disrupting industry processes to deliver benefits for our customers. Quotient is a truly integrated drug development services business, supporting our clients from drug substance synthesis into clinical development and onto late-stage and commercial drug product supply. Integration, of course, is important to advance all drugs through development, and has been represented in industry structure since pharma companies were first formed. This integration is represented in vertical silos describing drug product and clinical testing functions that are very separate. The model works actually very well when development activity is contained within a silo, but it can become challenging to move a drug product horizontally from the drug product silo into the clinical testing silo. This is due to significant stability requirements, extensive CMC data sets, and complex supply chains that the model requires. In contrast, Translational Pharmaceutics provides a horizontal integration to remove the space that exists between these two silos. This disruption of conventional structure and process allows us to apply adaptive CMC and clinical strategies, delivering significant drug substance and drug product efficiencies, simplifying our supply chains and our program oversight requirements, and ultimately driving significant time savings for our customers. The acceleration that we deliver with Translational Pharmaceutics is achieved by integrating GMP manufacturing within the clinical testing program and manufacturing drug product on demand in response to clinical need. Batches of drug product at Quotient are typically manufactured, released, and dosed in less than 7 days. And because of this, we can make product, dose it very quickly, and therefore minimize the amount of stability data we need to obtain to enable clinical dosing to proceed. Since we're only manufacturing drug product to support each individual dosing occasion, we're therefore also able to reduce the batch sizes that we manufacture to GMP and therefore reduce the amount of API that we need to use. Translational Pharmaceutics also allows us to be more flexible in the way that we perform our studies. We can perform make and test cycles during the course of a clinical program where data from one dosing period could influence the drug product we manufacture and test in the next dosing period. In summary, Translational Pharmaceutics provides us with horizontal integration to remove white space from industry structural models. It simplifies the supply chain. It enables adaptive CMC and clinical testing strategies, and it minimizes drug substance and drug product wastage during these development programs. Significantly, it saves time. And if you'd like to learn more about Translational Pharmaceutics, please get in touch, and me and my team of scientists will be more than happy to assist you in describing how we can make benefits of Translational Pharmaceutics apply to your programs.